Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel once again. In this lecture we are going to learn about the donut chart. Last time we have learned about the pie chart. So donut chart is also similar to the pie chart. The only difference is that the pie chart is a complete circle while donut chart is a circle with a hole in the center, leaving the circle in a ring form like the shape of a donut. So that is the only difference. So before I proceed to this video, requesting all new viewers that this lecture is a part of a complete Excel course. If you have not watched the other chapters, check out the playlist and start from the beginning so that you do not miss any important section of Excel education. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so that you are notified every time new video is uploaded. Now let's see how we can create donut chart in Excel with example. So this is the same data which we have used for pie chart. Now let's delete the pie chart which we have created in the last chapter and let's start afresh. So to create a chart, first thing we have to do is select the data for which you want to create the chart, go to insert, and then in the chart section you select donut chart. Instead of pie chart you select this donut chart. Okay, this is what donut chart is. So for comparison, let's create another chart of pie and let's see how it is different from donut chart. Insert, go to pie and then select the pie chart. So this is the pie chart and this is the donut chart. There is no difference. All the slices are the same, angles are same, except that there is a hole in the middle of the pie chart and then it makes donut. Like we have done in the pie chart, we can bring the data level in the donut also. So to do that, first select the chart and then go to add chart element, which you will get under chart design tab, and then go to add chart element and then here is the data level. So here there are three options, only three options, but in the pie chart we have multiple options, but here only three options. Okay, one is data callout, which looks very ugly, and another one is show, and it is showing the actual value of the data. So we can click here or we can click at the more data level option, and then we will get the same option like a level option which we have learned already. So from here we can select if you want to show the percentage, remove it and then show percentage like this, and then we can also include the category name like this, and since category name is already included we can delete the legend from here and make the chart a little bit higher. But it doesn't look good if when my data is appearing on the face of the donut, because the donut area is very small. So if we want to move this data level outside the donut or inside the donut, what we can do is you can click here, but once you click the data level it is selected all the data levels. So to move one data level you need to click again on the same data like this. Then when your cursor turns 4 arrows, not like this double arrow, when it turns 4 arrow you click and just drag it. Okay, like this. For this one like this one also like this, then this one also like this. So here there is an arrow. This arrow is a navigation arrow because it is showing that when you drag this data level very far and there are so many other data levels, so it will help you to navigate what data it is actually. This is actually for this slice. So, but if you want to remove this one, then that you can also do it. Like click here and it will select all the navigation line. Then you can delete by clicking here and just press delete key and then it will delete it. Now there are some more few options. There are a few other options that we want to do with the donut chart. So click here on the slice and then format data series. Then you will get these three options. In this we have donut hole size, donut explosion, and angle of first slice. Let's see first what is donut hole size. The donut hole size is this, the central hole, this central space. So if we increase, then it will increase the size of the hole in the middle. If we decrease, the size of donut will be like this. So according to your test, according to the requirement of the presentation, you can increase or decrease this size. And angle of first slice. Angle of first slice is nothing but this angle. See, here it is angle. We can rotate this angle from, we can start from here, we can start from here. So how do we do it? Just click it here and then let's change it. It is starting from 0 angle. So if we increase like this, then it will move. So as per your requirement, it can move in the way you like. Now when we move the angle, the data level is also following. Right, so that data level, this apparel is for this one. And one of the advantages of donut chart is that we can add more than one series in donut chart and represent and visualize the data very well, which we cannot do in the pie chart. So we will be looking into that one also. So first delete this one, and then to include more than one series in the donut chart, we do not need to select any data. We will be inserting one blank donut chart. So select any, click anywhere and then go to insert, then select donut chart. A blank donut chart is plotted here. Now to insert the data, we need to click here and then select data. From data, you add the data series. So series name would be cost. First series we are going to enter as a cost, okay, and then data will be the data of the cost. Then we have already added one series. Now we need to add one or two more series. Now click on add and then select revenue, and in the data series you select this data, then click OK, and now add another more series, that is revenue gap, and then in series value we will select the data. Now click OK. So we have already added 3 series in this chart. Now but here the category name, the axis level is not is written as a 1 2 3 4 because we have not specified what is the name of the axis, x-axis. So to change it, we will click here and then select the category name like this. Now it has already selected a category name. Now click OK. Now we are having more than one ring in the single donut chart. So the size of the donut can be increased by reducing the hole in the center. So how to do that, we have already learned here also. We are going to do again here. Click here and then go to series option and then donut hole size. Reduce the hole size. Say suppose like this. This is also okay. This much is okay perhaps. Now we can add the data level of each ring. So to do so, select the ring and go to chart element and then go data level and show. It will show you the data level, but we can change because we don't want the value here. We only want the series name. So to change it, right click here and select the format data level series, and then here instead of this value we will select the series name and uncheck the value. Now first ring is representing revenue gap, and we can do the same for this one also. Data level, show, right click, format data level, then series name, remove the value, and it represents revenue ring. And the third one is cost. We'll do the same thing. Data level, show, then right click, format data level, then series name, remove the value. So it is representing the cost. So this is how we can insert more than one series in the donut chart. So that's it for this donut chart, and in the next lecture we will be looking about histogram and Pareto chart. So see you in the next class. Bye bye.